Hey everyone, Chasing Moon here, and today we got our hands on Galaxy Note 20. So we will open the box, we will look at the phone, and we will do a quick review. The unit that I have here is a mystic green color, and I must say that the color looked really nice. Galaxy Note 20 also comes in two more awesome colors. There is a mystic bronze and a mystic gray, so you have options for the colors. The phone feels really nice in hand, but you can definitely feel that it's made out of plastic. Except for the phone, in the box you get a 25-watt charging block, which is a fast charging block, and you also get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cord. There are no other accessories in the box like the headphones that used to come with every Samsung phone that they would sell, and there are also no extra tips for this stylus. Let's look at some specs. The phone comes with 6.7-inch AMOLED screen, and it does have a non-removable battery in the size of 4300 milliampere. The phone also runs Android 10. Just like any other Note, the phone does have a stylus, and what Samsung has done this year, they actually replaced where the stylus goes. It used to go on the right side, now it is on the left side of the device. At the bottom of the phone you also get a USB Type-C charging port, speaker, and the microphone. On the side you have a power button and volume up and down. It is on the right side, and on the top you have another microphone and a SIM card slot. Galaxy Note 20 is IP68 dust and water resistant. The back of the device is made out of plastic, and the screen is Gorilla Glass 5. On the front of the phone you also get a 10 megapixel camera. There are two variations of the phone. There is a 128GB device and 256GB device with 8 gigs of RAM. The storage is non-expandable, so you would not be able to put a memory card in the phone. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 supports a wireless charging, a reverse wireless charging for you to be able to charge on the go your headphones or your watch, and also has a new and updated Samsung Wireless DeX, which basically gives you a desktop experience on the phone. Samsung has improved their stylus with Galaxy Note 20 as well. What they have done, they have cut the latency, which is a delay from whenever you write on the screen and what you see on the screen, for the S Pen in half, and now it is at 26 milliseconds. That means that current generation of S Pen offers a real pen-like feel. I will be doing more videos comparing the S20 to S10 model, and as well to the other devices. If you like the video, like and subscribe. See you later. Goodbye.